Morning. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I specialize in medical hypnosis, guided imagery, nutrition, and exercise. My mantra being how to live a longer, happier, healthier life. My website www.gipaninc.com. Today's health tip will discuss the triggers of various headaches. There are two types of headaches that are recognized: the muscle tension headache and the migraine type of headache. At the root cause of most headaches, the number one cause is stress. And once we are able to manage the stress, oftentimes the headache improves. There are, however, other causes for headaches besides stress, such as, especially the migraine sufferer, various food varieties such as cheese, especially Parmesan and Swiss cheese, can cause a migraine headache, and it is the tyramine, the substance in the cheese is tyramine, that causes the headache. Similarly, red wine has tyramine, and drinking excessive amounts of red wine, or even one glass in those who are sensitive, can stimulate a headache. One does not see that with white wine, as it does not contain tyramine. Eating deli meats especially, there is tyramine present and nitrates, both of which can cause headaches. In females who tie their head in a ponytail, that can lead to a headache, as the small nerves are stimulated when the hair is pulled back. Also, braiding of the hair can result in a headache. Smoking is a very well-known cause of headaches due to the fact that the nicotine causes the blood vessels to close up or to constrict, and that leads to a headache. Strong odors such as perfume or even flowers can cause people to suffer headaches, and the exact mechanism is not known, but avoiding the causative factor often results in the release of the headache. The headache tends to dissipate once you are able to identify the cause of the headache. Caffeine is also well known, as in this case the caffeine dilates the blood vessels in the brain, and when that happens it can lead to a headache. We've discussed nicotine and smoking and caffeine. Alcohol, if you miss a meal, that can lead to a headache as well, because you become hypoglycemic, or your blood sugar drops, and that can lead to a headache. These are the most common causes of headache triggers. How do we treat them? Well, as mentioned previously, avoidance is the most important. Using trial and error methods, you will be able to identify what causes your headache, because usually it begins shortly after ingestion or smoking or smelling, whatever the cause is. You avoid that and the headache dissipates and does not return. The next thing is stress management. For stress management, we suggest, first of all, the simple method of deep breathing can help. Having a massage in the neck is also beneficial, and a massage of the whole body as you tend to relax. However, we have found that medical hypnosis can really reduce stress and reduce the headaches. We use certain methods to prevent the headache from coming, and once the headache is about to develop, you can usually feel it. We teach you certain techniques to reduce the headache and even abort the attack. These are the most important treatments There are, of course, over-the-counter medications that you can take, such as anti-inflammatories or NSAIDs. They might be of assistance, but if they persist and they do not help your headaches, then we suggest counseling and or guided imagery and medical hypnosis. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this video health tip.